Hear me family, hear me friends, hear me fans. Watch me as we make some Jamaican style shrimp and sachets jambalaya. So see them chop the scallion, the thyme, the onion, all of the good stuff, carrot and Irish of course, for the richness and the thickness. So see there as me steam some plain rice, well shelly, soft and full of butter. Yes, I said it, full of butter, also creamy. So see the vegetable as it have cooked to come together well caramelized. I'm gonna clean up the shrimp well clean. So see you know, me add the shrimp. And once me add the shrimp, as you know this is the Old Bay edition. So me add a nice amount of Old Bay in it. It's kinda salty, so me never add no salt. And me add in all purpose of course. Yeah man. And after me adding the all purpose, guess what me adding next? Me adding some pimento. Oh you know so. And then me flip it a liquor. Then me add in the great pumpkin noodle from Grace. Yeah man, can know that add the thickness to it. Make gravy thick, see that? As it come together good and thing. Me throw in the sachets, cause I don't know shrimp, you don't want cook the shrimp too long. Cause we start get tough and chewy. Yeah man, so me cut a scotch bonnet pepper. The kind of did I get whole as you can see, but me throw in the sebi. The flavor is never lost, it's only preserved. Yeah man, so see then I may flip it up over time. And you can see the color from the pumpkin yogurt. You can see the richness and the thickness of the gravy. Look at that unity. Oh my goodness, as the rice steam and finish. Now I'm back to the shrimp. Look how shrimp and sachets are living unity. Let me know if you like to try it.